Hello, and welcome to the channel. I'm Dr. Joel Migovsky, and today we're going to talk about a topic that sparks a lot of curiosity. Is it possible to increase penis size naturally? First of all, I want to make it clear that this video does not make any miraculous promises. I'm not here to sell illusions, but to present facts based on scientific evidence. Let's understand together what can actually contribute to an increase, or at the very least, a better exposure of the male genital organ, and also how to prevent its reduction over time. The first natural strategy is to lose weight. Few people know this, but the penis is an organ that is partially covered by a layer of fat located over the pubic bone. When a person is overweight or obese, this abdominal fat engulfs part of the penis, giving the impression that it is smaller than it actually is. By losing weight, especially fat from the lower abdominal region, it is possible to gain up to 2 to 3 centimeters of penile exposure simply by making what already exists more visible. The second measure is postectomy, also known as circumcision. Many men have excess skin covering the glans, the head of the penis. This covering can give a false impression of shortening, especially when flaccid. By removing this excess skin, the penis becomes fully exposed, creating the perception of a longer organ with a more defined shape. The third point is, don't let your penis atrophy. Yes, just like any other part of the body, the penis can suffer from atrophy due to disuse, and this is not only related to an active sex life or masturbation, but also to proper oxygenation and blood flow. There are even therapeutic resources such as pelvic floor physiotherapy, vacuum devices, and penis pumps, which are used under medical recommendation. They help stimulate blood flow and prevent loss of function or length over the years. Attention, never use injectable substances like industrial silicone or PMMA. These are extremely dangerous, cause deformities, and can lead to irreversible complications. The fourth tip is simple, but it makes a difference. Shave the base of the penis. Excess hair in the pubic region can create the visual illusion that the penis is smaller. Trimming the hair safely using electric trimmers or specific scissors can make the area look cleaner and give the appearance of greater penile length. Finally, we have penile extenders. These devices work with continuous and controlled traction and are used regularly for periods of at least 6 months. Some patients report an increase of up to 1 to 3 centimeters in length. But be careful. Use should always be done under medical supervision. Incorrect use can cause injuries, tissue necrosis, or even obstruction of blood flow. These devices are recommended in specific cases, such as post-operative treatment for conditions like Peyronie's disease, penile curvature, or as part of sexual physiotherapy in partnership with urologists and specialized physiotherapists. So, to recap, lose weight to eliminate fat at the base of the penis, undergo postectomy when indicated, maintain healthy penile stimulation, consider pubic hair removal, and with medical guidance, use penile extenders. There is no magic formula, but there are real habits and practices that make a difference, both for self-esteem and sexual health. If you enjoyed this content, share it with someone who could also benefit from this information. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to subscribe, leave your like, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. And for those of you who want to take care of your health in a more comprehensive way, I strongly recommend my book, Longevity Code: 101 Habits to Live Past 101 Years. In it, you will find practical guidelines to live longer with health, energy, and quality of life. Now I'm going to answer some questions that always come up on this topic. 1. Dr. João, can taking any supplement increase penis size? There is no scientifically recognized supplement that increases penis size. Some claim to improve blood flow, which can enhance erections, but there is no permanent structural gain. 2. Can excessive masturbation reduce penis size? No. Masturbation, when done in moderation and in a healthy way, does not affect penis size. The problem arises when it becomes compulsive or replaces real relationships, which impacts mental and sexual health. 3. Does age influence penis size? Over time, there can indeed be a slight reduction in penile length, mainly for 2 reasons. Accumulation of abdominal fat that hides the base of the penis, and reduced oxygenation and blood flow due to lack of sexual activity. That's why maintaining the habits I mentioned here is essential as the years go by. 4. Do penile extenders really work? Yes, as long as they are used correctly under the guidance of a urologist. Continuous and disciplined use over several months can produce modest but real results, about 1 to 3 centimeters of gain. 5. Is there a normal penis size? Yes, an erect penis is, on average, between 12 and 16 centimeters in length. Less than that does not mean dysfunction. What matters is sexual function and satisfaction, not an idealized standard that often comes from pornography. 6. And what if my case is psychological? Good question. Many men suffer from what we call small penis syndrome, even though their size is absolutely normal. In these cases, psychotherapy can help because the problem is not with the body, but with self-image. 7. Doctor, can riding a bicycle make the penis smaller? This is a common question. Riding a bicycle does not make the penis smaller, but prolonged use of improper saddles can impair blood circulation in the pelvic region. Over time, this can cause tingling, numbness, or even erectile dysfunction. The tip is simple. Choose an anatomical saddle. Avoid cycling for many hours straight, without breaks, and if possible, wear padded shorts. This way, you protect your health without giving up exercise. Taking care of sexual health is an essential part of men's overall health. So keep following the videos here on the channel for quality and responsible information. And if you haven't gotten the book, Longevity Code yet, take advantage of it. There are 101 habits that can transform your life, based on science, clinical practice, and real experiences of people who have reached 90, 100, 101 years or more in good health. Thank you very much for your attention, and see you in the next video. Please.